Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2004 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2004 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic with 20,731 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, LED turn signals, LED taillight, smoke fender lamps, an open stage 1 intake, Vance & Hines mufflers, a luggage rack, passenger floorboards, heel guards, an oil temperature gauge, and a chrome inner primary cover. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Heritage puts 67 horsepower and 87 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Heritage has a 150 to 200-mile range. It has a 25.9-inch seat height and a 699-pound wet weight. This bike passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 230 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technicians noted that the inner primary is seeping oil, and the red light is present on the dash due to the LED directionals, but the signals work properly. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a tear on the passenger backrest, scratches on the rear fender, and a tear in the rider's seat. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.